Alright, so next up, let's discuss the tools you'll be needing for the course. It's pretty simple, at least for the first section of the course until we get to Node and Express. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. The two main tools that I highly recommend you install are Chrome as a web browser and VS Code as a code editor. First of all, you definitely can use any web browser of your choice. The reason I recommend Chrome is that I'll be using Chrome, which will make it a lot easier for you to follow, especially as we talk about the specifics of the developer tools. In general, I would not recommend you to use Internet Explorer or Safari. And why so? You need to view the previous video for that reason. It definitely will work, but if you have Chrome or Firefox, use one of those, preferably Chrome. It is simple as going to google.com/chrome and clicking download. It will make a better experience if we are on the same page. As far as the editor that I am using, I highly recommend VS Code, not just because I'm going to be using it in this course and it will be easier for you to follow along, but also because it's free. It's a great editor with lots of extensions and color themes and lots of fun things you can do. There are also a couple of websites which has online code editing environment setup, such as JSFiddle and CodePen, but VS Code has its own benefits. The difference is VS Code is an IDE, integrated development environment, which can have a whole project setup base and not just an editor but also a full-scale development environment. Apart from lightweight editors like Sublime Text, Notepad++, Atom, Brackets and all, which are fast, elegant and simple, but if you're really serious into coding, I advise you to use VS Code. Now, if you are already someone who has a different editor of your choice and are super tight to that like the back of your hand, then use that editor. I'm not going to do anything all that specific to VS Code, but if you are new and looking for an editor that is the one, I would suggest VS Code, which stands for Visual Studio Code. It's free and it is developed by Microsoft. I can't say enough good things about it, so download it via the link I have given below. So VS Code and Chrome are the two tools that I really recommend you to install for the first section of this course. And then later on, we'll talk about Node and installation of some of the other tools. Do follow our Facebook page for more videos and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The links are given in the description and I hope you enjoy our course. Thank you. Do follow our Facebook page for more videos and updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The links are given in the description and I hope you enjoy our course. Thank you.